चेयरमैन सर, आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा काला दिन है। लोकतंत्र को मतलब इसी तरह उनका मजाक उड़ाना, संसद का मजाक उड़ाना, सभापति का मजाक उड़ाना, आपने तो उनको बहुत बार आपने तो बहुत बार उनको टोका, लेकिन बहुत बार इन्होंने दे दिया आपको ये धोखा। बहुत बार आप इनको बहुत बड़ा चांस देते रहे। आपकी चेयर जो है, चेयर है, अपोजिशन हो, सत्ताधारी हो, तो सबके लिए है। सत्ताधारी पार्टी के माध्यम से आप चुनकर आए, बात सही है, लेकिन अपोजिशन को भी अपनी बात रखने का अधिकार है, लेकिन उनको भी नियम होते हैं। नियम की बात करने वाली नियम हमेशा तोड़ते रहे हैं, और आज मतलब उन्होंने बहुत ही गलत काम किया है। मैंने तो एक बार मांग किया था कि जो लोग रोज गड़बड़ करते हैं, 2-3 बार गड़बड़ किया ठीक है, चौथी बार गड़बड़ करेंगे तो उनको सस्पेंड करना ही चाहिए। उनको अगर यहाँ का काम नहीं करना है, बात नहीं करनी है, बात नहीं सुननी है, चेयरमैन का भी कुछ नहीं तो सुनना है, तो ऐसे लोगों को इधर रहने का क्या अधिकार है? मतलब ये लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है कि मोदी जी तीसरे बार प्रधानमंत्री बन गए हैं, लोगों ने माना है, लोगों ने उनको मौका दे दिया है, लेकिन इनके मन में बहुत बड़ी जलन है। मतलब हमारा तो मोदी जी के साथ मिलन है, लेकिन उनको मोदी जी के बारे में जलन है, और इसीलिए मतलब ये लोग और कितनी भी कोशिश करें, मतलब अगली बार भी 29 को भी हमारी सरकार आएगी, 34 में हमारी सरकार आएगी, 39 में हमारी सरकार आएगी। क्यों नहीं सरकार आएगी? हम काम करते रहेंगे और आप भी वहाँ रहेंगे। जब तक आप रहेंगे तब तक आप तो तगड़े चेयरमैन हैं, सभापति हैं, हमारा भी सुनते हैं, उनका भी सुनते हैं, लेकिन हमसे ज़्यादा उनका सुनते हैं। उसके बावजूद भी आपका ऐसा अपमान करना ठीक नहीं है। इसीलिए आज के घटना का मैं निषेध करता हूँ। मेरी जो रिपब्लिकन पार्टी है, मेरी पार्टी बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी की पार्टी है। बाबा साहब ने संविधान बनाने में बहुत बड़ा योगदान दे दिया है, संसद को अपने अधिकार दे दिए हैं, अपोजिशन को अधिकार दे दिए हैं, सत्ता पक्ष को अधिकार दे दिए हैं। उसका मतलब उल्लंघन करना ठीक नहीं है। इसीलिए मतलब इनके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। हर बार ये बाहर जाते हैं, और मतलब मैं अपेक्षा करता हूँ कि हमेशा बाहर रहे और हम हमेशा अंदर रहे, यही हमारी अपेक्षा है। और इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं जो भी कुछ हुआ है ये ठीक नहीं है, इसका मैं निषेध करता हूँ, धिक्कार करता हूँ। चेयरमैन सर।
श्री K.R. Suresh Reddy.
Honorable Chairman Sir, the incidents which took place in the House today are unfortunate, and agreeing to most of the views expressed by the senior honorable members. Chairman Sir, when we come to the House, the first thing we do is we bend and do our namaste to the chair. The idea behind that is, it is not who sits in the chair, it is we thank the people of our respective areas for sending us here and for giving us an opportunity to look and debate the grievances what they are going through. Especially for members like us who represent the regional parties, the happenings for the last few days have really been very painful to us, sir. You have expressed yourself in a very, very elaborate way. You have given us ample opportunities. But in spite of that, we have seen there are some deadlocks. And one suggestion which, with your kind permission, sir, is if there are more meetings in your chambers with all the floor leaders, probably it could bring down the tension, is one suggestion which I would like, sir. And very graciously you have been doing it, sir. In spite of the best of your efforts, some of you are not able to end these deadlocks. But having said this, sir, the chair is what gives us the authority, the power to debate public issue. And when the chair gets helpless, the House gets helpless, sir, which is not good for any parliamentary democracy. As far as we are concerned, sir, we would extend the full support to the chair. We have the full confidence, sir. Thank you.
Shri Praful Patel.
Chairman, sir, sorry, I was though not in the House, but watching the proceedings on television, and therefore I immediately rushed in here because I also wanted to first express my deep concern and I would say also a sense of sorrow for the way proceedings in the House are happening every day. Some new events are unfolding. I have been privileged to be a member of both the Houses of Parliament for almost more than 3 decades. And I recall the days, in my early days as a parliamentarian, when stalwarts from both sides would be present in the House. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, Advani ji, Indrajit Basu Sahab, Somnath Chatterjee, Chandrasekhar ji, on the other side, Narasimha Rao ji, Arjun Singh ji, even Sharad Pawar ji, and many other stalwarts. And the level of debate, the level of engagement, and the healthy respect for each other, what was visible in the House, we are seeing standards of parliamentary democracy falling every day. And it is very painful, sir. We, as some of my colleagues have said, we come here to Parliament to represent the voice of the people. We come here to discuss and engage on issues which are very important for the well-being and the future of our nation. We are seeing challenges of every kind in this country, and we need to have a meaningful dialogue between the ruling and the opposition. And I must say that I have seen both sides of the House, having been in the ruling side, the treasury benches, on the opposition benches, and I cannot understand that why we cannot. We may have differences outside. I remember the 50th year celebrations when all parties, including people who are sitting in this very house themselves at that time, all of us actually took an oath and said that we will ensure that Parliament functions, parliamentary democracy is, thriving and robust in this country. These were the same people, many of them, who took pledges, including myself. And I feel that all these, are empty, I think promises which we make not only to ourselves but to the country. I would just...
One second. Not only 50th, 60th, 70th, and I had the pain of going through each word of it yesterday. Everyone agreed to that. And the conduct here, you have not the benefit of seeing it from here. One member has reacted to it. I saw everyone physical movements as if they were in battleground. In physical movement, charge, physical movement, concerted movement, aimed at destroying an institution. A sacrilege taking place before my own eyes. Only one honorable member has spoken. Sir, never spare any effort when you see before your own eyes how those who should be responsible are instigating irresponsibility. I go back to emergency days.